look at simplifying algebraic expressions. 4 terms that you are going to want to know in this section are term, coefficient, like terms, and constant. Let's look at an example. 3x plus 4y plus x plus 2y plus 5. Each of these terms, 3x, is called a term in the expression. The coefficients in the expression is the number that multiplies the variable. So the coefficient in the first term is 3. The coefficient in the second term is 4. The coefficient in this term is 1. We have to realize that 1 times x is x. The coefficient in the next term is 2y. The last term does not have a coefficient because it does not have a variable. It is what we call a constant. So now 5 is a constant. It's never going to change. This example has 2 like terms. Do you know what they are? The like terms are 3x and also x. And the other pair is 4y and also 2y. Those are called like terms because they have the same variable. Let's look at an example of adding the terms in an algebraic expression. In this one, it has 2 like terms. You don't always write them down, rewrite it together, but I will in this example. I'll write the 8n and the 4n next to each other, plus the constant 4. To simplify it, I simply add the coefficients of the 2 like terms, 8 and 4. That's 12n plus 4. And I don't add the 12n and the 4 because the 12n is a variable term and the 4 is a constant. So I can't add those together. Let's look at the next one. It has some subtraction in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is change that subtraction to add the opposite. Now I'm going to look for like terms. 6x and negative 5x are 2 like terms. I can add those together, add their coefficients. 6 and negative 5 is 1x. No need to write the 1, just call it x. Then I'll add the constants. 4 and negative 7 add up to negative 3. Once again, don't add the x and negative 3 together. One is a variable, one is a constant. Finally, the last example is an algebraic expression, but it has the distributive property used in it. First of all, I notice it has subtraction, so I'm going to change it to add the opposite. And now I see that the negative 2 is multiplying the quantity that's in parentheses, x plus negative 3y. The y is not multiplying it, though, just the negative 2. So temporarily, I'm just going to write the y down, and then I'm going to distribute my multiplication. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 3y is a positive 6y. Now I need to look through the expression to see if there are any like terms. Sure enough, there are. Y plus 6y, well, that equals a 7y. And the negative 2x I write down. Once again, I can't add those together because they are 2 different variables. This is simplifying algebraic expressions.